Hey guys, I have a cool new thing to show you. They come in lots of colors and you get to wear them, and they're super handy in your knitting bag. So I'll pull one and show you how it works. All right, this is a cool new row counter that these are handmade by the same lady who makes our stitch markers, the little round stitch markers with the bead. And they're made to be worn as a bracelet while you're knitting. They're fully adjustable. You pull on either side of this flat knot, and there's a bead that keeps it from opening too wide. And then when you put it on, you can pull the bead on either side to tighten it back up again once it's on your wrist. So, and the way these work, you can count by sliding these beads to count your rows. And you can see that the little knots are the little bow here opens and closes, so you know where you're at. And there is a different color bead every fifth bead, so you can keep track of your rows. And if you wanted to, you could use this as a cast-on counter as well. You could count by 5s or you could count by 10s, but this is a very pretty way of keeping track of your knitting, keeping track of your rows. One of those ways to help you count. I don't know if I can do this on camera with one hand. Yeah, you wear these as your counter, and they come in lots of colors and they're really pretty. You might want to give one a try.